Today I am reviewing the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is a premium men's grooming tool designed to simplify beard maintenance while delivering professional-level precision. This trimmer focuses on convenience, control, and clean results, making a strong choice for anyone who wants to keep their beard well-shaped without dealing with multiple attachments or complicated settings. One of the most impressive features of the Beard Hedger is its built-in adjustable zoom wheel. Instead of using multiple clipper guards like traditional trimmers, this device offers 20 different length settings in fine half-millimeter increments, ranging from 0.5 millimeters up to 10 millimeters. This means you can easily switch between different beard styles, from clean stubble to a fuller, more rugged look, without stopping to change attachments. The adjustment wheel is smooth and intuitive, allowing quick changes mid-trim if needed. In terms of cutting performance, the Beard Hedger is built with a stainless steel T-blade that is titanium-coated for added durability and sharpness. This blade is designed for precision and efficiency, allowing it to cut through thick or coarse facial hair with minimal effort. One of its standout design elements is the unique cutting angle, which helps lift flat-lying hairs for a more even and consistent trim. This results in a cleaner finish and fewer passes, which is especially useful for maintaining symmetrical beard lines. The motor inside the Beard Hedger is another strong point. It runs on a powerful cordless DC motor operating at around 7,200 revolutions per minute. This provides consistent cutting power without pulling or snagging, even when working through dense beard growth. The combination of motor speed and blade design makes trimming feel smooth and controlled, rather than choppy or uneven. Battery life is also solid for a cordless grooming tool. The Beard Hedger offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which is more than enough for multiple grooming sessions. It uses USB-C charging, making it convenient to recharge with modern cables and adapters. Whether you're at home or traveling, charging is simple and flexible. Another major advantage of this trimmer is its waterproof design. It carries an IPX7 rating, which means it can handle wet and dry use, including in the shower. This adds a layer of convenience for users who prefer to trim as part of their shower routine. It also makes cleaning the device much easier, since it can be rinsed underwater without concern. The overall design of the Beard Hedger is clearly focused on practicality and durability. It is built for men who want a straightforward grooming experience without sacrificing performance. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold, and the controls are positioned for easy access during use. In terms of real-world use, the Beard Hedger performs consistently well across different beard types. Whether you have light stubble or thick, coarse facial hair, it maintains smooth cutting performance. The single-stroke trimming capability helps reduce the time needed for grooming, which is ideal for users who want quick and efficient results. The kit also includes useful accessories such as a USB-C charging cable, an AC adapter, a length setting attachment, and a hardshell travel case. The travel case in particular adds value for people who need a grooming tool they can take on trips. It protects the trimmer and keeps everything organized, making it easy to maintain your grooming routine on the go. Now, while the Beard Hedger performs very well, there are a few considerations. The adjustable range goes up to 10 millimeters, which is ideal for short to medium beard styles, but users who prefer longer beard lengths may find it limiting. Also, while the single adjustable wheel is convenient, some users who use the traditional guards may need a short adjustment period. However, these limitations are minor compared to the overall convenience and performance it offers. The main goal of this trimmer is to simplify grooming, and in that regard, it succeeds very well. Overall, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is a high-quality, well-designed grooming tool that combines precision, power, and simplicity. It removes the need for multiple attachments, delivers smooth and consistent trimming performance, and offers modern features like waterproofing and USB-C charging. If you're looking for a reliable beard trimmer that makes grooming faster, easier, and more precise, the Beard Hedger is an excellent choice. It is especially suited for users who want a clean, controlled beard style without complicated setups or multiple tools.